Does Hisense TV have Roku? Yes, Hisense offers smart TVs with Roku TV as the built-in operating system. Hisense Roku TVs provide an easy-to-use interface, access to thousands of streaming apps, and features like voice control, screen mirroring, and private listening. However, not all Hisense TVs run on Roku OS. Some use Android TV, Google TV, or VDA OS instead. First, Hisense Roku TV models. Hisense has a dedicated lineup of Roku-powered smart TVs, which include Hisense R6 series, affordable 4K UHD Roku TVs with HDR support, Hisense R7 and R8 series, mid-range models with better contrast and Dolby Vision HDR, Hisense U6GR and U8GR ULED Roku TVs, premium Hisense Roku TVs featuring quantum dot, full array local dimming, and Dolby Atmos, Hisense 32-inch and 40-inch Roku TVs, smaller models designed for bedrooms or secondary viewing areas. These models come pre-installed with Roku OS, providing seamless access to streaming services. 2. Features of Hisense Roku TVs. Hisense Roku TVs offer various smart features including Roku Channel Store, access to Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, Prime Video, and more. Roku Voice Remote and Mobile App. Control the TV using voice commands or a smartphone. Private Listening Mode. Listen to TV audio on Bluetooth headphones via the Roku mobile app. Screen mirroring and AirPlay 2, mirror content from Android or Apple devices. Automatic software updates, ensures the TV stays up to date with new features. 3. How to know if your Hisense TV has Roku. To check if your Hisense TV has Roku OS, look for Roku branding on the box or TV label, a purple Roku interface when the TV is turned on, Roku settings in the menu, Roku channel and Roku store pre-installed. If your Hisense TV does not have Roku, you can still add a Roku device to access the platform by connecting a Roku streaming stick or Roku Ultra to enjoy the Roku experience. 4. Should you buy a Hisense Roku TV? Hisense Roku TVs are a great choice for users who want an affordable smart TV with an easy-to-use interface. They are ideal for cord cutters, access thousands of free and paid streaming apps, casual users, simple and user-friendly navigation, budget-conscious buyers, offers good value with 4K, HDR, and smart features at a lower price. Hisense does offer Roku TVs, and they are some of the most popular budget-friendly smart TVs on the market. If your Hisense TV doesn't have Roku OS, you can still get the Roku experience by connecting an external Roku device.